Hello and welcome back to In the Kitchen with Matt. I am your host, Matt Taylor. Today I have another product review episode for you. I'm going to be reviewing this air fryer by Secura. What is an air fryer? First off, air fryers are pretty much a little mini convection oven. So what does that mean? Well, a convection oven is pretty much air that gets circulated throughout the oven and it heats your food. The air fryer has a heating element on the inside at the top, and then these fans that will blow air past the heating element, and the air goes all around the food, cooking it. Really cool. And the cool thing about this is it makes cooking more healthy, especially for foods that you might normally deep fry. So the air fryer can be used to fry, roast, bake, reheat, or grill. So all those little things that you can do with an oven, you can do with the air fryer. It's really neat. Some cool things about this is it heats up to temp within 3 minutes and it's ready to go. An oven might take a long time to preheat your oven, and so this is ready to go in a pinch, which is really nice. And I'm going to also talk about some of the things that can go with it. Some neat accessories. Got a cool accessory kit, and I'm going to show you all the accessories that come with that. Now, if you already have an air fryer at home, this accessory kit will fit most air fryers too. So you don't only have to use this accessory kit with Secura, even though the accessory kit is made by Secura. All right, so let me bring the camera in for a closer look so we can check these out. First off, it's pretty good sized. This is a size like my hand right here. It's pretty good size. It'll fit on the counter. It's like the size of a large coffee machine, I would say. And it has these really cool knobs. Here is the timer, and here is the temp. And what you do is you'll set your temp to whatever you want it to be. And then right when you turn on the timer, it turns the air fryer on. Up here, you can see the recommended temps for different types of foods: French fries, steak, chicken, cake. Yes, you can make a cake in this air fryer. Different meats and breads. You can do bread. You can bake bread in an air fryer. And then we have the basket mechanism here. So you just pull it out. After you pull it out, what happens is if you move this little slider and you push this button, and then your basket comes right out, and then you can clean it with hot soapy water, and then you can clean the inside of this. And look how big it is. This is the size of my hand again. It can fit a lot of food, 5.6 quarts worth. And you just place it back in there like that. And then you put your food in there. Or this comes with a skewer rack, so you can drop your skewer rack right in there. And then it also comes with these 4 metal skewers, and then you can do like kebabs or something. And then you put these right on there like this. You pop it in the air fryer and let it cook. So really, really cool. And so this just slides right in there. Just like that. Easy does it. All right, now let's take a look at some of these accessories. These optional accessories by Secura. First off, we have these round air fryer liners that you can use to go in your cake pan or your pizza pan. Helps things not to stick in the pan. Really cool. Next we have a wire rack that you can lay things on, chicken and whatnot, on top of the wire rack, and it allows for airflow to go underneath the food. There is another skewer rack in case the one that comes with it gets lost or something. Got these cool little silicone, I call them like lobster claws, or these little silicone mitts, oven mitts that you can use to grab things that are inside the air fryer so you don't like burn your knuckles and things. Comes with a little burger press, hamburger press. So you put this right here, you put your burger meat down in there, and then you press it, boom. And then you use this to pull it right out, and then you take your hamburger patty off of there. Cool little gadget. It comes with a silicone hot mat that you can put anything hot on it. comes with a cake pan. So you can put your cake batter in there, put this in your basket, and bake a cake in your little air fryer. Also comes with a pizza pan, so you can put your pizza dough in there, put the toppings that you want on your pizza, put this in your air fryer, and bake your pizza. It comes with some kitchen food tongs, which allows you to reach in and grab things. Nice. Comes with a silicone baster for basting food, in case you want to baste on some sauce, like on your kebabs or something, or on the chicken, you want to open it up and then baste some barbecue sauce or something on your chicken. And then you can use this for your other baking needs as well, of course. And then comes with some extra skewers, 4 of them. That is quite a few little accessories that come in this accessory kit by Secura. And there we have it, a review of this air fryer by Secura and this optional accessory kit. Final thoughts? If you have kind of like maybe a small studio apartment and you don't have an oven, maybe you just have a hot plate, an air fryer would work perfect for you because it's pretty much a little mini oven by itself, which is really awesome. It works a lot faster than your oven. Like I said, it heats up to final temp in 3 minutes or less. Sometimes it'll take several minutes to get your oven preheated. So for like small amounts of food, this works extremely well. Also, you don't have to deal with all this hot oil. Whenever you're deep frying something, you have to use a lot of oil. Sometimes the oil can be really expensive. And then after you use it, you have to dispose of it. A lot of times also the oil will splatter out of there and it'll land on your counter, it'll land on your hand and arm. So this is way less messy using the air fryer. So really cool. And this one is super easy to use. You just turn the temp to what temp you want. You turn the time to what time you want and let it do its thing. And also I love the handy little guide up here where it tells you some of the common foods that you might want to do in the air fryer, and it tells you what the temp and the time to use. So there you go. I'll put a link down below in case you want to pick one of these up. It is an affiliate link, so I will get a small percentage of the sale, but it won't cost you any extra. Also, make sure to check out the various videos that I'll be making, different foods that you can make in this air fryer. I'm Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining me. As always, if you have any questions, comments, or requests, put them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thumbs up, down the corner, push it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Take care.